How's it going, everyone? Weston here with GoWesty, and today we're going to go over the Alternator tension bundle, part number Alt-Adjust. This nifty little upgrade actually came stock on some late model Vanagons. It's important to keep proper tension on the alternator belt, otherwise the belt can come off. If the belt comes off, not only will your batteries no longer be getting a charge, but the water pump will no longer be pumping coolant. This will result in your engine melting in seconds. If you see the alternator light on the dash come on while you're going down the highway, you need to pull over immediately. With a standard alternator bracket, it can be very difficult to get proper tension on the belt while tightening the alternator bolt down.
And oftentimes, the belt's still not as tight as it should be.
To install the new alternator bracket, we start by removing the dipstick tube bracket. Remove the two nuts completely, then pull the dipstick tube bracket out of the way. Completely uninstall the alternator adjustment bolts, then pull the bracket out of the way. With the old alternator bracket out of the way and the dipstick tube bracket pulled aside, slide in the new adjustment bracket. Position the teeth on the bracket at the top, facing the front of the vehicle. Thread the alternator adjustment bolt into the bracket to hold the bracket in place. Reinstall the dipstick tube bracket with the two previously removed nuts. Wait to tighten down the nut at the base of the alternator. Pull the alternator up with your hands until the teeth engage with the bracket. Use a wrench to move the tooth gear up the bracket, putting tension on the belt. With proper tension on the belt, use an additional wrench to tighten the bolt. With proper tension on the belt, go back and tighten the nut at the base of the alternator. That's it, you're done.